Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be solving LeetCode question 131, rank transform of an array. So what the question states is that we are given an array of integers ARR, and we need to replace each element with its rank. So this question is simple. Basically, we are given an array like this example 40, 10, 20, and 30, and we need to replace each element with its assigned rank. So for example, 10 is the minimum element of that array, so 10 will get a rank 1 and so on. 20 will get a rank 2, 30 will get a rank 3, and 40 will get rank 4. For example, if there are duplicate elements, all of the duplicate elements will get a same rank, same single rank. So to solve this question, let's solve this question visually. Um, let's take an example array, this 100, 40, 40, 20, and 10. Okay, let's take some negative numbers, integers as well. Negative 4, negative 50. So, so this is the input array we are getting, right? The steps for solving this question will be, we have the input array. Next, we'll take every element from the input array when we'll create a set and put those elements into the set and sort that set. So what it will do is, let's create a set. It will take all the elements and deduplicate all the elements. So for example, if there are 200s, we'll only get one. This is the property of the set. So it will deduplicate all the elements and sort it. Next step of the solution process is, we'll create a map and we'll store the rank of each element into that map. So why did we sort those elements is the same reason we are using the map. We'll take element negative 50 and we'll assign it a rank of 1. Similarly, we'll take negative 4 and we'll assign rank 2 here. We'll take element 10 and we'll assign it rank 3, where is 10 here. So this is the use of map. And the last step of the process is, we'll traverse through the input array, the given input array, and we'll find the rank of the element from the map and replace the element in the array with its assigned rank. So what will be the solution? This will be the solution of a given problem. 776554321. So 100 is the largest element, so it gets the largest rank. Similarly, negative 50 is the least smallest element in our array, so it will get rank 1. So let's code it. We are given an input array ARR. So first we need to create a set and a map, and we need to sort the elements into the set. So let's create a set S and we'll sort all the elements that we get in S. So ARR.end. So the first step of our solution is completed. We have created a set and we have sorted all the elements. Next, we create an unordered map. M, and then we assign all the elements their ranks. So let's take a variable int start equals to 1. Then we will traverse through all the elements in the set int ins, and we will assign every element its rank. So m of I is equals to start plus plus. Now the third step is to traverse through the array and replace all those elements we have with us. So we will traverse through the array and we will replace every single element. So ARR of I equals to M of ARR of I, and we will just return our answer. Let's see if this works. Yes, it does. Let's submit it. Yep. So this was the solution, guys. Thank you.